Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. If you want to watch my streams, I literally live stream every single day in my Discord. I literally took this on stream. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this in a second, but basically, I passed an eval account with this play. Executed it right on live stream. So if you want to join my Discord, okay, I teach all these concepts in live time. I trade in live time, and yeah, you can see me trade. And then other thing is, there is finally a 90% off Apex sale. So if you want to do the 90% Apex sale, okay, I literally bought like 3 of them already passed one of the accounts. Very easy, better than demo. Okay, gives you a little more motion and it helps you just that much more. Click the link in the description and type in save 90 and cop a few Apex accounts. Okay, so so as you can see, I'm doing my face cam. I'm not gonna do this a lot, but I feel good today. So I literally had a banger stream today. I'm gonna kind of go over what I talked about. Okay, so if we look at my Discord, okay, you're gonna get these plays every once in a while that it's just they're so easy. Okay, and this was definitely one of them. Okay, and it was literally my inverse model. Okay, if you go to my Discord, okay, and you look at this, I said trying a full port long on a 90% off Apex account if we close above this. Okay, so is this fair value gap? Okay, why was this so good? Okay, it was because we were inside of 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, we were delivering from this fair value gap. We hit the weekly sell side and the monthly candles and at the low, which if you think about the monthly candle, we usually don't close the low day, right? So the monthly candle shouldn't close at the low of the month. Okay, so we're expecting bullish prices. We created a low a day yesterday and Wednesday, which typically we will not create the low of week on a Thursday or Friday. So I figured yesterday would be low of week. Okay, and we got the 15-minute fair value gap, a lot of displacement. So if you look at my index commentary, the first thing I said this morning was want this fair value gap, and then I'll probably look for long from it, not shorting today. I ended up taking a short anyways to this fair value gap, but we don't talk about that. So you can see a nice inverse setup here. And then exactly as planned, I kind of saw, okay, we hit the fair value gap, buy side delivered, right? Basic ICT knowledge. Okay, now if we go to this inverse now on the 1 minute, okay, well, why did we not have to go hit sell side here for long? It's because of every reason I just talked about. It's because we were already delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So we were already delivering from that. And the other thing is, you don't use fair value gaps twice, but as long as they hold, that means order flow is still bullish. So 15-minute order flow, because we were still above this, was still bullish for me. Okay, and we got really close to this high, but didn't hit it. So when we got really close to this high and didn't hit it, I figured, okay, we're probably going to go to buy side next. All right, and then you see that 1 minute long setup finally. Okay, we break above this inverse. I said I'm full porting long if we do. Okay, easy full port here. Okay, got filled here, which you can see I did buy before. Okay. I'm not going to teach my stream to buy before because that's almost gambling, but sometimes because of my screen time, I just know it's going to break. So I bought before, and then I bought 2 more up there when I closed, and then I sold right here. Okay, I passed my account. Okay, you can see right here. Okay, I clearly passed the account. 26.5K. So again, this is a setup that was so obvious to me just because of all those reasons, right? Hitting weekly sell side, hitting the 15-minute fair value gap, getting 15-minute displacement, right? All these were such obvious reasons for us to keep going up. So I figured we just keep going up, and as soon as I see my model, which is the inverse, right, I'm ready to slap that. Okay. On a live account, I would have held till here. Okay, but I passed the account, so there's really no point in holding. I also talked about Euro a little bit. So if you look at Euro, I said look for a 1 minute inverse long here in this zone. Okay, and I'll show you why in a second. We got it. Hit buy side. Okay, so if you want to pause the video, you can. Now, if you look at Euro, this was an inverse on Euro. Okay, saw us close above it. So I was like, okay, if we go back in here, look for a 1 minute inverse long. If you look at the 1 minute, you can clearly see we break above it right here. There's your entry. Okay, and then you're targeting buy side. So very, very nice play there again. That's the other play I want to talk about. And yeah, so I'm up. So for the challenge account, I'm doing on my eval to pass an eval account with proper risk management, proper trading. I'm up $100 in that. Okay, we're up a total of $550 this week. Okay, I've traded and executed all of it in my live stream. Okay, we should be green tomorrow. Hope I don't jinx myself, but should be green 5 days in a row. So I'll be trading that tomorrow again. But that's a 25.6K almost, and then I just passed this one. So once these both get funded, I'll probably trade these in my live stream, and we'll try to go for a payout. But I'm gonna definitely size down a lot more. For the monthly perspective, I do want lower, but this monthly candle probably won't close at the low, so I don't really expect us to go any lower this week, or I don't expect us to go back to low of week because it was formed on Wednesday. So there's that. But yeah, my guess is we're probably going to take out all this low resistance liquidity, okay, right here. So we'll probably go to like this high next. Definitely this high. I'm not sure about these highs yet, but definitely this high, just because it is a high inside this Valley gap. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. Looks like we are going to inverse this one. So once this is inverse, still would look for longs up to here. But yeah, great day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, textbook stuff right here. So other than that, enjoy your day and peace out.